Hey there, Chase from HighLevel here with a new how-to on how to use custom values for color codes in the builder. Let's check it out. All right, so let's say I've got this killer landing page. Obviously, this is not a killer landing page, but let's pretend it was, and I know it works for every dentist, so I'm going to use it for all of my clients that I get. Now, I just got a new client. Their name is not Mr. Dentist. They're not, their name is not Bob's Dentistry. They're not located in Cleveland, and their main color is not green. Well, instead of having to go in and redo this stuff when I launch my new landing page for my new client, let's say it's Sally's Dentistry in Miami, and her main color is blue. Instead of having to go into the builder and go do all that stuff, we can see that I've used custom values here, and I've also used custom values for my color code, and I'll show you how I do that. But what is important is what it enables me to do is this. So I load up my new client, I hop into their sub account one time, and I come in here and I just edit the custom values. And so let's say this was Sally's Dentistry, and she's located in Miami. And let's say that her main brand color is like a blue. So let me just hop into my color picker here, and we'll go pick a blue, and I'll grab that color code there, and then we can open up this main brand color code and paste in the color code for her blue, hit save, and then when I go back to this page, check this out. If I refresh, boom. Okay, main brand color changed to blue. Text updated to Sally's Dentistry, and the city updated to Miami, and that's because they're all using custom values. So let's check out how we do that specifically for the color codes. So I'm going to hop back to custom values over here. And let's make another one. We'll call it 4, and we'll call it secondary brand color. And I have to paste something in here for now. Actually, let's grab a different color to illustrate the point. So we'll go pick like a purple here. Looks good. And we will paste that here. All right, so that's our secondary brand color. And now wherever we want to use this, we need to grab this key. So I take the key, hop back into my builder, and it's as easy as this. Pick something that, let's say we're going to use the secondary color for the background of this block here. I hit the color option and I click didn't find your color, add a custom one. And so instead of putting a color code in here, I can actually just paste that custom value. And let's say I call it secondary brand color, and I hit add. Now you'll see here that it's populated clear. Let me hit save. And if we come over here and do a refresh, boom, there it is, our purple. And if we come back here and actually refresh this page, we should see it change and register on the reload. So each time we come back to this page now, moving forward, it's going to show that color as the option there. So if I go change it in custom values, I come back here and reload the page, it'll change right here as well. So it's as simple as that. That is how you can use custom values as color codes in the HighLevel builders.